Welcome to Everyday Technology Solutions. Serving everyone's everyday technology needs. Presents an introduction to everydaytechnologysolutions.org. Special viewing features. In this video you will learn how to use EDTS's special viewing features to enhance your EDTS experience. Find what you are looking for more effortlessly. EDTS has a website-specific search toolbar that you may utilize in order to find specific resources more easily. Simply type in a keyword identifying an area of interest to you. Hit the Enter key, and you will obtain an index of links identifying locations within the website that may be of interest to you. Click on a link and you will be redirected to that website location. Click on additional links in order to find the resources that are of most interest to you. When done, you may use the back arrow to return to your search results, or click on the Home menu button to return back to the EDTS homepage. Return to the EDTS search toolbar to type in a new keyword, in order to continue your search inquiries. If you prefer to view the contents of the website in another language, click the down arrow on the Google Translation toolbar and select your preferred language. When you are ready to return back to the original language, scroll up to the top of the page and use the Translate toolbar to return to the original language. The EDTS videos also have useful viewing features not available when viewing on other sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and Instagram. Closed caption, player settings, picture-in-picture, and full screen. Click on full screen to watch the video on your device's full screen. Hit the escape key when you want to return to the original viewing window. You may control the volume of the video sound using the volume control on the video, as well as from your playing device. Click on the Table of Contents button to display a search toolbar for the video. Type in a keyword identifying an area of interest to you. As you type, a list of captions within the video will be listed that contain the keyword that you are typing. Simply click on one of the table of contents items to advance to that area within the video. Future self-help videos will contain markers on the video controller allowing you to move quickly to specific areas within the video. Hope you find these features to be helpful. Thanks for visiting. Be well and be safe always. Make sure to watch for upcoming videos and resources.